Hi! Welcome to my parol making tutorial with Mickey. Parol is a traditional Christmas lantern in the Philippines where Lola, which means grandmother in Filipino, is from in the Disney Christmas Advert this year. That said, let's start creating our parol. You will need the following materials. You have to decide what color combination you want for your design. Ready? Let's go! Take 2 bamboo sticks and attach each other using an elastic band. Make another one and combine. Try to make a star shape and tie the 2 connections together. Oops, Mickey! Don't fall down! After making your shape, tie the pentagon corners with a string. Make 2 stars and make sure they're both identical in shape. For 400 ml sticks, find it best to use 75 ml dowels. If you can't find one, you can make one out of skewers. Stick 3 together to make 1 dowel placement. Kids, make sure you have an adult with you. You don't want to burn yourself. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need 5 of these. Place glue using glue gun on the pentagon corners. Hold in place until the glue sets for about a minute or 2. Add a second application of glue on the base to secure. Take the outer star and stick together. Wait for another minute and apply more glue at the base to secure. Remove excess glue. Connect the points of both stars together with elastics and secure with a string. Glue or apply 1/2 inch double-sided tape on all sides of the panel of the star. Fine tape works better than glue if you have it. Cut your A4 cellophane sheets into half and apply onto the panel. Cut the excess off and wrap the edges underneath. Once you've done all 5 panels, glue the center pentagon panel and cut the excess off as neatly as possible. Oops, Mickey! You can add lights inside it if you want. Fairy lights works best in my opinion, but sadly, I didn't have one on hand. Adding lights makes it even more Christmassy. Add a loop of nylon string or any string to the top point for hanging. Repeat the process of adding tape and cellophane as you did on the other side. Mickey, lie down! Now apply 1/4 inch double-sided tape on the sides. You can cut out your 1/2 inch tape into half if you don't have one. Ask someone to hold the star for you while applying the cellophane. Make sure the edges are cut as neat as possible. Take a small cardboard and draw 2 circles on it. Apply double-sided tape on the other side and cut off your circle strips. Now for the complicated part. For the frills, take the gift wrapping tissue paper and cut 5 pieces of 100 by 250 mil. Fold into half and fold again in the middle, and cut halfway through the closed edge, leaving about 15 mil uncut. Fold again and do the same. Cut 5 mm strips on cut side, same as the others, leaving 15 mil uncut. Unfold and lay flat, adding double-sided tape to the edge. Fold back and tape down. Apply another strip of tape on the edge and put aside. Take another sheet and apply 3 strips of double-sided tape about 250 mil. Cut out and cut into half. You need 5 pieces of strips, 1 in each point of the star. Take 2 whole sheets of tissue paper and cut into big squares. Put 1 square aside. Fold into half twice. And then diagonally fold in half twice. Cut from the edge, leaving 10 mil uncut. About 30 mil in between and 3 on the other, inside the 4 cuts. Open up carefully and put aside. For the pom-poms inside the tails, take 2 colored sheets and cut in half lengthwise. Fold in half again and draw lines 15 mil apart. Be careful, kids. You don't want to cut yourself like me. Ouch. Okay, first aid done. Let's go back to our parole making fun. Right, Mickey? Divide your strips into 2 and fold and lay on the table. Take them in the middle. And twist. Tape it on one side of the circle cardboard. Repeat the process to the other strips. Peel off the backing and attach to the center of your parole tail. Do it for both. Put it aside and take your frill cut out and wrap around the center right point of the star with pleats. Apply the tape strips to cover up. Do this for the top and mid left points. Okay, for this part, we need an adult. Take a needle and thread and attach the parol twist onto the bottom points of the star. Make sure you secure them properly. You don't want to lose the tail. Apply the frills and strips after attaching the tails. Print out 2 colored Mickey ear shapes on adhesive paper. Cut out and apply on center of your parol. That's it! You're done! Good job! Proudly display your parol by the window with your vintage Mickey. Available at Shop Disney. Thank you! Goodbye!